So right here we will have weekly reminders. So like if they have a test on Friday, it'll say there. If there's, anything special going on at school, like an assembly or maybe cookie dough sales are due, everything will be up here for the kids to look at and be reminded. Right here will be our schedule. It's not written on there, but that's pretty much the order in which it will go. You can also see the exact schedule on my open house presentation. Right here will show what we are doing for the day. It will show like reading, writing, math, and science, and then it will talk about what we're doing and how kids know that they are successful after the lesson. Sorry for all the fans, it is warm. Right here is where kids will make their lunch choice. They'll put it on 1, 2, or cold, and that's how I take attendance and know what the kids want for lunch in the cafeteria. This is the math wall. It's kind of empty right now, but this is stuff that they will be learning in their first unit. And right next to it is the Chromebook cart and our community table. I'm sorry, it's kind of messy, but the community table will always have extra markers and crayons. These are things I find on the floor at the end of the day and no one claims them. There will usually be some markers in there, pens, scissors, tape, staplers, and clear tape. Working table, my air conditioner. I am very lucky and my mom bought me an air conditioner. The room is still a little warm, but it's better than without. This is where students will get their Friday folders. And here is my favorite place in the classroom, the library. And, I think that independent reading and having the choice in reading and a variety of choices in reading can really help students learn to love to read. So I have a lot of books. I have other books in the cupboard that we use for novel studies or book clubs. And as you can see, not everyone has real desks at the bottom. So that's why I have all of these crates to help kids that may have, bigger binders or that may not have, for instance, this desk doesn't have one of those crates underneath. This will be just a working table for us. And this is where students will turn things in. This is always math, reading, social studies with Mrs. Sawyer, science, and then this is possible homework they might have. So students will also get their own book boxes and they can keep them at their desk. And then here's my desk. Still a little bit messy right now. I also wanted to share, I do have some flexible seating available. I have some bean bags somewhere. Oops, someone might think threw it away. Ugh. But students are able to rent these when they please, or let's say a student needs a wiggle seat for a personal reason, I will be glad to give that to them. We do classroom economy in here, but I will explain more to that the students on the first day of school. And here's one last look. All right. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know.